Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, today it's about Monad. Okay, there's a huge hype about it and everybody's farming it. So do this as soon as possible. Okay, so it's an urgent tasks that you have to do. So I'll ask you kindly to join the channel, give me a click the like button for me, and yeah, subscribe if you didn't, and I'll from time to time I can give you a little bit of Monad tokens, the test net tokens, and if the airdrop is generous to me, I promise you some free money. Okay, so drop your wallet address, use MetaMask, and now let me give you the full tutorial that you should use to start farming. All right, so go on youtube.com, okay, and type in Monad Urgent Tasks. Okay, so these three words, they're important because you get through the tutorial. So it's right here. This is my 18 minutes video, okay, made 1 month ago. The channel is Artificial Intelligence Money. So remember, this is the picture. You go in here and it's an 18 minutes. Follow all these instructions from here. The urgent task that we have to do. Boom. So do these first, like set up your MetaMask and the network, the test net for Monad. Get a little bit of Monads from the faucets. Do your thingy in there. You have few websites that you have to mingle with, like stake some money, unstake some money, buy some NFTs, sell them some NFTs, and a few other things. And now this is a new thing, and I'll ask you kindly do these transactions and go on here. It's Mon as a Monad Bridge Dex. So it's monbridgedex.xyz. Go on this website and click Start Trading, and they will take you to the swap. Okay, the swap connects your wallet. Okay, this is just test money. It's monopoly money. All right, so you connect your wallet, and no problem. You can, with a little bit of Monad, you buy US dollar Tether, and after, let's say, 10 minutes, you sell your US dollar Tether to Monad. So my internet is very slow, so what I'll ask you kindly, look, it prompts me, but same story, just because I'm recording and I'm losing a lot of thingy, I'm using MetaMask just to give you an example, simple example. Come on, it should see my balance. It's slow. Come on. In the meanwhile, remember, my channel is Artificial Intelligence Money. I'll ask you kindly to give me a like. Come on. Alright, and it should prompt me again. So in here, they will come with your balance, and in here, oh, come on, let's go through. I should approve it. Come on, prompt me. Internet, come on. Faster, please. Where is my thingy? Yeah, it's here. Come on, where is the button to confirm? Blue button. Oh, come on. It should come here. Restart MetaMask. I'm not going to restart on this video the MetaMask, but the point is simple. You approve, you will see your balance, and in here go 0.22 and you swap it. You see 0.22, it will give you 0.4788 US dollar Tether, but again, these are monopoly money, and you swap it. Okay, after that, you go the other way around and sell your US dollar tether to Monad. And then you have in here add liquidity and remove liquidity. Do a lot of transactions in here just because the airdrop will Monad will give you a generous airdrop if you have a lot of transactions and a lot of swaps. All right. Okay, that's kind of it. And thank you very much and have a profitable day.